Hello everyone, welcome to Tricky CAD Cam. In this video, we learn about synchronous modeling. In synchronous modeling, face and body are modified with various methods like replace face, move face, delete face, resize bend, etc. So in this video, we learn about move command. Move command select, replace the tab setting. In move command, we first take distance and angle. There are several types of transformation method. First, distance and angle. We need to select face. In selection tab, I am selecting boss or pocket face. This one click and entire boss are selected. Next, select distance vector. This x direction and specify pivot point. Pivot point means rotation point. While selecting pivot point, we need to select the XY datum plane as highlighted here. Select. We need to put here value, distance value, and we can also put here angle. And OK. Another option, distance method. In distance method, select the face, and put the value. Another method, angle. Select face. I am selecting this circular face. In setting, we on select coaxial and equal radius. Then you see what happened. Entire equal radius surface are selected automatically by selection method. Specify vector, ZC direction, and angle. We need to select axis point. Okay. In next option, distance between points. How it's work? Let's see. Select face. After, specify origin point and next measurement point. After, specify vector and put the value and OK. In next setting, select face, radial distance, specify vector, specify axis point and specify measurement point. This is the radial distance transformation. Okay. In next setting, point to point. Faces are moved by one point to other point. Select face. Specify from point. This from point and specify to point where faces are moved. I am selecting the circle center and you can see the faces are moved. Okay. In next setting, rotate by 3 point. Select face, rotate by 3 point. Specify vector, pivot point, the circle center, start point and the end point. Okay. In next setting, align axis to vector. For this, we taking another example. Align axis to vector. Select face. I am going to align this entire surface to the taper surface. Specify home vector. Is selected. Pivot point and specify vector, the reference vector where to align. And you can see the faces are aligned to taper face. Similarly, we can move the face coordinate system to coordinate system or delta XYZ system. So hope you guys understand the move command. To watch such type of video, subscribe our channel, like and share. Thanks for watching.